In this part of the video, we are going to build some visualization on charts based on the data that we have connected to. To build the visualization, I just need to drag the columns or fields that I want to use into this canvas area. So I'm going to drag this product here and drop it in this canvas area. And this basically is a text-based information. Now, if I want to add some numerical data to that, I can add this sales column. I just drag that and drag that on top. And you can see here the sales field is numerical, while the product field is a text-based field. As you can see, we have automatically aggregated all of the data from the Excel table based on each of the different products. If I want to build some charts instead, I can do that. For example, I can drag this numerical field here and drop that there. All right. And what I can also do with this field, if I want to control the type of chart, I've got the space to do that. You can see on that visualization, we've got different types here. So I can just select, for example, I'll select this bar chart. All right. But you've got different types of charts that you can work with. Now, if I also want to view this by segments, I can drag the segment field here and just drop that in there. And you can see here it's being able to visually display how the sales are represented based on the segment. So you can tell here the government here has got most of the sales. Most of the sales was made to the government, and then we've got sales to the small business, and then enterprise, and then we've got the mid-market, and then we've got this. So just visually looking at this, you can tell where most of the sales took place. The next thing I'm going to do is drag another field here. So here I've got the country field. I'm going to drag that and drop that on the canvas here. I'm just going to drag to extend that. And you can see here with this country field that I dragged over, because we have some geographical data here, the Power BI understands that and decides to plot it on the map for us. You can see we've already got data added inside this canvas. Based on that, Power BI has plotted it on the map here for us. This is a really simple report, so I'm happy with it. So the next thing to do is to save this report. So I'm going to go File and do Save As. You can save it anywhere you want. So I was saving it on my desktop, and I'm just going to give it a simple name. I'm going to call it My First Report. And you can see it has to be saved under the Power BI file extension. It automatically does that for you anyway. So just click on Save, and that will save the report wherever you have specified. So you can see now it displays the name of the report, My First Report - Power BI Desktop. I'm going to end this part of the video here. In the part 3, we are going to publish the report to the Power BI service. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.